Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're asking, is holding cash actually a lot riskier than you think?
So you think your savings account is totally safe, right? Well, this might just change your mind.
That sounds dramatic, I know, but for a lot of savers, this is what's really happening. You know, for the past few years, holding cash was a pretty smart move, but that time is officially over. So let's get into the numbers, the hidden math that's quietly eating away at your savings.
Okay, so there are three key numbers that create this trap. Let's break them down.
Let's see how a typical 4% savings rate actually stacks up in the real world.
Okay, so you start here. 4%. Not bad, right? Looks pretty good on paper.
But then, boom, higher rate SACS hits, and that 4% is suddenly just 2.4%. And then there's inflation. Factor that in, and you're actually going backwards. This is what we call a negative real return. You're losing buying power every single year.
So your cash isn't a safe harbor. It's become a wealth anchor, and it's slowly sinking you.
But believe it or not, the danger actually goes deeper than just a negative return.
It's called reinvestment risk. Basically, the great rates you see now, they won't be around forever.
And as you can see, that window of opportunity is closing fast. High yields are on their way out.
And if you look back at history, the story is always the same. Cash just can't keep up.
So staying in cash isn't playing it safe. It's choosing a guaranteed loss over potential growth.
So what's the smart move? Let's get into the solution, a blueprint for growth.
It's a simple 3-step plan to break out of this trap and put your money to work.
Step 1, stop just saving and start allocating. Look at things that actually track the base rate.
Step 2 is about locking in yield. If you want income, now's the time to grab these rates.
And step 3, the 6-month rule. Any cash beyond your emergency fund needs a job to do.
Really, it's all about this shift in mindset. Think of it as capital, not just cash.
And if you remember one thing, let it be this. Cash is for spending, not for building wealth.
So the real question is your capital just sitting there, or is it actually in the game?